more than customization, right? Like Visa Virtuosos, the class that we did for 6 weeks, it helped me set up my entire profile, right? Like I didn't even know how to get through this situation. I had just been working for Amazon for like close to 9 years now, right? So it helped me set the foundation of what it means to build a profile for EB1A. And then through the 10 criterias that we have to look at, and out of which it's a 3 out of 10 fulfillment situation, the structure that the class provided using the Google Drive and each of the Google Sheets, it kind of helped me put in the data and take a very data-driven approach to understand which areas are areas where I have a good foundation and I can build on top of those so that the efforts can be focused in the right criteria to build the overall profile rather than overall running around, right? So the customization mainly happened because the structure helped give a foundation, and then we could collect some data together through the class to see where we could push more and build the profile rather than just like running around, right? Because these areas are such gray areas to find out information, but having that foundation helps you customize and see like, okay, this is where maybe I can make it, and this is where maybe I shouldn't even touch this area. And through the course, the aspects of interaction with Samir started were more important, where a very candid and transparent approach was set up, right? There was no sugarcoating. We did not go around in circles. We had complete clarity in terms of each session being dedicated to each criteria, which slowly helps you build clarity for your own profile, right? Because usually when you enter into a government quote-unquote process, it is very easy to get fooled because there are so many gray areas, and this is just me being very transparent. But the way Samir laid out the right foundation and the clarity and the straight up transparency, I think it built the trust to move the profile forward. Without the course, I would be running around left, right, and center without understanding where I was running. And then the course gave a very structured approach to profile building. And then we had additional resources that were linked at the end of each session. And then using those resources, we could work backwards, right? And do some applications to put ourselves out there, right? So I think easily 8 to 12 months or probably 8 to 15 months of time was saved. And we could like see the confidence in ourselves as a class that started building week over week, and we felt like, okay, maybe we can do something, right? So from a timeline perspective, 8 to 15 months, but it's more about the confidence that gets built, which helps you shorten the timeline as well. I never even thought of looking at EB1A because the criteria felt like, okay, I don't have a PhD, so who's going to even take a look at my profile, right? So the course and the interactions with Samir helped to flip the mindset and be like, okay, you have been working hard in this country. You have been doing a good job at a organization which is a large contributor to the economy of this country, which means that there is accelerated impact to the country because of your work, right? This chain of thought that got painted, which is a flip in the mindset, was amazing through the course.